everyone, I'm Jeep Momma. Last week I shared with you 5 basic tips to get you started in this new off-roading hobby that you have. This week I'm going to bring back a video what to do while you're waiting to traverse those off-road obstacles. I'm out here at Roush Creek Off-Road Park in Pennsylvania. Sometimes you just need to put your vehicle in park and wait your turn on a rocky obstacle. I'm going to share my top 5 tips on what to do while waiting your turn on the off-road obstacles. Number 5, take a selfie with your bestie. Number 4, post all your awesome off-road Jeep pictures on social media so everyone else sitting at home can get jealous. Number 3, check out all the other mods of all the other Jeepers in your line to get ideas for your Jeep. Number 2, scope out a good spot in the woods to take a potty break. Just check your 6 because you never know when another Jeep group is going to come up behind you. Number 1, head to the front of the line and watch all the other Jeepers wheel through the obstacle. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out all those other videos I have. How-tos, install videos, my top 5, and all those off-road videos that I've been sharing.